Alphabets, kids learning. A for apple. A for ant. B for banana. B for ball. C for cat. C for car. D for dog. D for doll. E for elephant. E for egg. F for fish. F for flower. G for goat. G for gate. H for house. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for igloo. J for jacket. J for jug. K for kangaroo. K for king. L for lion. L for lamp. M for mango. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nurse. O for orange. O for oval. P for parrot. P for pineapple. Q for queen. Q for coil. R for rose. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sparrow. T for tiger. T for tree. U for umbrella. U for umpire. V for van. V for vegetables. W for watch. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. Z for zoo.